So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. So she's going to be getting a rainbow money piece highlight look for this one. That is very cool. So there is the inspiration. Oh, wow. Absolutely breathtaking makeover. I love the way that this turned out. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So we move on to hair transformation number 2. The stylist has this really pretty hair color and her strands as well. She does a retouch on the roots for this copper. Looks like she has a bit of blonde mixed in here. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous. She did like a nice shaggy layered cuts. And the color is unreal. Those pops of blonde against the copper with a little hint of black in the bangs. Wow, this is absolutely phenomenal. Very cool. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to hair transformation number 3, which will also feature a color change. I think that this particular stylist is amazing when it comes to color work. So the client does currently look like she has her money piece highlight colored already. So it looks like she got some bleach and then goes in with the color, bit of purple and pink. Very fun shades. Stylist does some face framing layers and wow, colored bangs. Now this is another way that you can wear the money piece highlight trend. She does have full bangs with this look. Beautiful layered shoulder length bob. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. This stylist is so talented. I love the color combos. Very cool. So we get into the next transformation. So she already has a bit of some color here going in the hair. It's like a nice pastel mix. So the stylist goes in and freshens up that undercut. Puts in a nice design detailing. Beautiful shade work. and then does a little bit of a trim, doing more of like a bob haircut. This is an absolutely gorgeous bob haircut. I really like the color on this. Such a fun hairstyle. And then we move into the next transformation. So she starts off with mid layer. So it looks like she is going to get some hair extensions. Now this looks like she might be going with more of like a ginger color. Very popular hair shade for 2023. We're seeing so many different variations with the copper, the ginger, and just red hues in general. So they do go in and dye the hair extensions more of a copper red tone. Stylist puts in some beautiful waves, and the copper looks absolutely amazing. This is a beautiful shade for her complexion. I think that this came out amazing. There is the before and there is the after. Breathtaking makeover. And then we move on to our last hair transformation. Looks like she's getting some color for this one as well. Oh, looks like she goes blue. Now, blue hair has actually been trending past year or two. Very cool. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.